Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to add email address to your SIP sender list in Gmail. So if you want emails instead of going to spam from senders that you determine to be safe, then I'll show you how to solve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong Gmail. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating Gmail account dito sa inbox. So ang next step dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung contacts. Ito siya. So kapag nakita mo itong icon na yan, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then wait natin. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-tap tong create contact. And then dito sa create contact ay kailangan lang natin i-fill out kung ano yung mga nihinging details, informations like yung kanyang first name, and then yung last name, and then yung company, and then yung job title, and then next, ito yung email address, so maglagay tayo. And then next, dito sa baba ay kailangan lang natin ilagay yung phone number. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong save, and then wait natin. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na new contact created. Right, kung paano ba natin ito tignan yung na-create natin na contact. So dito lang sa top right corner mga kaibigan, i-click mo lang itong Google Apps na to. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung contacts. And then nandito na siya mga kaibigan. So nandito yung na-create natin. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to add email address to SIP sender list in Gmail. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.